in this video, I'm gonna be making a custom A-pod pillar gauge pod for my daggone charger. I ain't feel like buying one, so when I had, you know what I mean, an extra one, I got gifted. So we're gonna take this right here, dual gauge pod. I kind of roughed it up already, and I'm gonna put it right here. Get this up here the right way. So this is pretty much the look I'm going for right here. I'm gonna take this down and I'm gonna glass it in. But you know me, I'm kind of creative, and I wanna go ahead and make my own little flavor to this little thing right here. So I just want y'all to, you know what I'm saying, see the vision. And then I'm gonna take this down and go ahead and glass it in. If I could pop this bad boy out. I got everything roughed in. I got it riveted. So now I'm about to start the glass work. Got it riveted in there. I plastic welded these daggone tabs in there. So when I put the gauges in there, I can screw the backside up to it. But you get the idea. Even cut the little holes in the back so I can get access to the wires and all the other good stuff. We're almost there though. Now I'm about to fiberglass it. Stay tuned, y'all. It's gonna be a classic. Alright, y'all. I got her primed in. Everything looking smooth. I'm about to clean it up and go ahead and throw some color on it. I want y'all to stay tuned now because it's gonna be epic. I'm telling you, you're gonna like this color a lot, or the whole project in general, because I ain't never seen nobody do it before, so why not be the first?